Are your bathrooms as clean and hygienic as they could be? In this video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive bathroom cleaning checklist, ensuring every corner is spotless and supplies are well stocked. Discover how iAuditor can streamline your cleaning processes and maintain high hygiene standards. Begin by opening the iAuditor app on your device. Create a new template by selecting Blank Template and add necessary fields like location, date, and staff name. Once the inspection is complete, save and export your report as a PDF. Ensure floors are swept and mopped, walls and tiles are clean, and trash bins are emptied. Toilets and urinals should be disinfected, free from stains, and have working flush systems. This foundational cleaning keeps your bathroom sparkling. Check that sinks and mirrors are free from dirt and stains. Ensure taps are clean and functional. Stock soap dispensers, paper towels, or hand dryers, and make sure toilet paper is available. These details enhance the user experience. Check that ventilation systems are working properly to keep the air fresh and prevent moisture buildup. Ensure air freshness and moisture control. Prevent odors. Maintain a fresh-smelling bathroom by ensuring no bad odors are present. Use iAuditor to capture photos of any issues or completed tasks. Write comments to note cleaning statuses or problems. Collect staff signatures to confirm the checklist completion, ensuring accountability and thoroughness. With a structured checklist and iAuditor's powerful features, maintaining a clean and hygienic bathroom is straightforward. From setup to documentation, every step ensures thoroughness and efficiency. Keep your bathrooms pristine and welcoming with these best practices.